What if falling wasn't scary anymore? When you stop fearing the floor and start moving with it, you unlock a new level of freedom in your dancing. This is the focus of my dance masterclass, giving you the tools to explore new tricks and discover your flow. Today I'll show you 2 moves to start building your confidence and overcome the fear of falling. If you know how to roll, you know how to fall. Before you can lift your feet off the floor, you need to trust it. And that starts with rolling. So let's say you want to shift your weight to your left side without rolling. It will be hard, but if you shift your weight by rolling, the movement will be soft. This is the fisherman roll, a key movement to prepare you for more dynamic skills. So we start in a big X position. Close into a small ball, this is your baby position. Then roll into child pose and keep rolling until you open back up in the X. Practice that a few times to feel the floor and move softly. Now let's take it further, going from standing down into the roll and back up again. Step into the fisherman position, 1 knee down. From here, place both hands on the floor and then bring your chest to your knee. Then lower your hip and keep rolling through baby. From there, let the momentum bring you back into the fisherman position. And push to stand. The most important is to keep the movement fluent, continuous and soft. Once you're connected with the floor, the next challenge is disconnecting your feet and owning the movement upside down. But this is not only about balance and strength, it's about how you can flow through positions without fear. This is the Caboera handstand, a dynamic way to enter an inversion and return to the floor with flow. Before trying it in the center, practice a simple handstand against the wall to feel the alignment and build strength. Okay, so from here, down, kick up, into the handstand. You want to push very strong with your arms into the floor so that your shoulders come up to your ears. Pushing your fingers into the floor, finding the balance, closing your rib cage and putting your feet together so that you are one line from hands to feet. To come down, lower one leg first and place the foot close to your hands for control. Once that feels solid, let's bring the movement into the center and make it flow. This handstand is inspired by Caboera. In Caboera, you always watch your opponent, so in this handstand, your eyes stay forward, not on the floor. One leg reaches up, the other extends forward for balance and protection. We start from a lunge, shifting the weight to the front on one leg, kick the back leg high while the other stays low. Push through your arms, then let the momentum bring you back down softly. Now the goal is not to hold this position, it's to move through it with confidence and control. Now remember, confidence comes from both learning to connect with the floor and trust it, and then daring to leave it. And when falling isn't scary anymore, every movement becomes possible. In my dance masterclass, we go far beyond these moves, exploring rolls, inversions and arches, so you can take full control of your movement and bring freedom to any dance style. I'll see you there.